Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Remind Me When It's Bedtime on YouTube. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you should see the settings cog on the top right, so select that. Then you should see General at the top, so click on that. When you're on here, near the top, it should say Remind Me When It's Bedtime. So all you need to do is toggle that on, and then it'll give you options for what start time and what end time. So if you select the start time, it'll go in 15-minute gaps. So obviously just choose whatever time you want in there. And then you can select the end time as well. Then just select done. And you can also add wait until I finish my video to show the reminder. And again, you could toggle that on or off. So when you're happy with all them settings, just select OK. And that Remind Me When It's Bedtime will be set up. Thanks for watching.